Good afternoon, team. How is the week trending? How are you all? How are you all? How are you all? Coming to the business, our top line was good today, yesterday. So we have missed RCP and VOC score and Google rating. My dear friends, please come back. Please come back to your comfort zone. Focus on high conversion. Focus on high ticket value. Average ticket value should be greater than 40,000, and your extended warranty, your RCP, your VOC score. I am practicing the store manager and regional manager public speaking in front of thousand, in front of 50 team members, 50 DM, 5 DM, including me. So, for most, first and foremost, important things you have to clear that. If you need any concern, if you need any feedback, please reach out to me or bring to my notice. I will help you out. If not possible, I will assign you the members that can help you. So, because without wasting our time, we have to bounce back. We have to be with place. Our place. Start with place. Grahak Devo Bhava. Our Grahak is the most important authority in our premises. Grahak is not outside our business. Grahak is a purpose of it. We are doing. We are not doing our Grahak a favor by serving him. Our Grahak is doing us favor by giving us opportunity to serve him. Service to customer, service to God. That is our place. We have to treat our customer as a God, and we have to treat our customer as a part of it, customer benefit. So always, अगर आपको कुछ भी बनना है उसके लिए बोलना पड़ेगा, प्रैक्टिस पब्लिक स्पीकिंग एंड प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा स्पीकिंग के लिए, स्पीच के लिए, सो दैट you can create impact in 10 minutes, 20 minutes. That's it, nothing else required. Thank you very much. If you have a public speech, great public speech, nobody can stop you, nobody can deny you. All the terms and conditions, they will follow you once you deliver the speech, once you deliver the power of words and power of word silence and power of pause. My dear friends, creates the power of presence, create the power of surrounding. This will create your history. And अगर आपको कुछ भी बड़ा आदमी बनना है, if you want to become a bigger great person, how much great person you want, what exactly you have great person in your image, like regional manager, like cluster manager, how much money do you require, exact amount, clarity, that 1 crore, 2 crore, 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 billion, 1 million. So you have to write down clear. And if you need any car, if you desire any goal, tell them in your mind, I can afford it, I can buy it. I can afford that car, I can buy that car. I can afford that home, I can buy that home. I can afford that SM position, I can be SM position, at SM position. I can afford, I am the regional manager. मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, मैं अमीर हूँ, मैं सफल हूँ, मैं सक्षम हूँ, मैं रीजनल मैनेजर हूँ. Once you focusing, trying, preaching, and yesterday celebrate yourself. Tell them about good things that you already discuss all the things. Now you can see from me that this is the Bangalore playground where IT peoples coming by every Sunday and playing cricket. We have 4 or 5 playground. They are paying for rent for this, so it's a good location. And I'm practicing here about a store manager and public speaking in front of my team members, 20 peoples, 30 peoples, 50 peoples, and I will be confident while delivering my speech. I'm taking pause whenever I don't answer. I'll come to you. Let me finish first. I'll come to you. Thank you.